Hello everyone, this is Tanisha from Expertise in English, and our today's topic is house chores vocabulary. House chores means घर के रोज के काम. Today's video will contain some English and Hindi translations. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting updates. The name is Expertise in English. Our everyday starts from kitchen, so let's begin our vocabulary also from kitchen. To begin with, we'll start with wiping off the table. Wipe the table means to clean the table with a cloth. After wiping, we need to set the table. Table को arrange करना is called as to set the table. Table is done now. Now we need to wash the dishes. बर्तन धोएंगे. So it is called to do the dishes, to rinse the dishes, or to wash the dishes. Now in this video you have one interesting tip, that what is the difference between dishes and utensils. So dishes are those things in which we eat food. For example, plates, spoons and fork. And utensils are those tools which are used for cooking. Dishes are used for eating and utensils are used for cooking. After washing, now we will dry the dishes. बर्तन सुखाना is called as to dry the dishes. अब सब हो गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will clean the stove. खाना बनाना है तो चूल्हा साफ करना पड़ेगा. And now खाना बनाना is called as to prepare the meal. खाना बनाना, prepare the meal. खाना भी बन गया. Now what we will do? Now we will lay the table. खाना किस में खाना है? उसके लिए सब कुछ चाहिए. So for that you need to lay the table. I hope that this tip proves helpful. Now after kitchen we will move to the floor of a house. So पहले क्या करेंगे हम? झाड़ू लगाएंगे. So झाड़ू लगाना is called as to sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. झाड़ू के बाद पोछा भी लगाएंगे. So what is that called? It is called to mop the floor. Mop the floor. पोछा भी लग गया. But if still your floor is dirty, then you will wash the floor. फर्श धोना is called as to wash the floor. अब सब कुछ हो गया. अब we'll move to our rooms. Rooms भी साफ करने हैं. So we will start from the bedroom. So bedroom को साफ करना is called as to tidy up the room or to clean the room. Room clean हो गया. अब हमारे को bed भी बनाना है. So bed बनाने को we call it to make the bed. Setting of your pillows and bed sheets, it is called to make the bed. अभी काम ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. We still have something. What is that? कपड़े. So कपड़े धोना is called as to do the laundry. To do the laundry. Now laundry is done. Clothes are dry. अब उनको set करना है. For that you will fold the clothes. तय लगाना is to fold the clothes. I hope this video proves helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you.